We're back, folks. We caught a 50-degree day, so we're going to do a lot of videos today. Check it out. One owner, perfect Carfax. This is a 2015. This is a Rio LX. Automatic, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, auxiliary line in, USB. Yup, satellite radio. One owner, perfect Carfax, no accidents, no paintwork, non-smoker. Very clean, well-maintained, cared for. This is a $795 starting down payment with bad credit. Let me repeat that. This car qualifies for a guaranteed credit approval program, and the starting down payment is $795. Yup. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Perfect Carfax certification, no charge to you. Warranty included. Bad credit, no credit, tore up credit, $795 starting down. DasCleveland.com.